In this video, we are going to explore how you can learn Python programming with the help of ChatGPT. We'll cover the basics of writing Python code, how to fix errors, and tips for effective debugging. Let's get started. So you know that Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language. With ChatGPT, you can have a powerful tool at your disposal to help you understand concepts, write code, and troubleshoot issues. Let's see how ChatGPT can guide you through the learning process. Let's start with a simple Python programming, which is printing "Hello World" to the console. For this, I'm going to type a prompt that says, "How do I write a simple Python program to print "Hello World"?" So it says, "Writing a simple Python program to print "Hello World." It is a great way to get started. Here's how you can do it. Open your code editor or IDE. You can use any text editor. We talked about Replit, but you can use these too, which are PyCharm, VS Code, Google Colab, or even more. Write the code. Type the following line of code, which is print, brackets, apostrophes, hello world, apostrophes close, and bracket close. Save the file. Save your file with a .py extension, for example, helloworld.py, and then run your program. To run your program, you can use the command line or terminal. Navigate to the directory where you saved your file and run the following command, which is Python, name of the file, followed by .py. This will execute a Python script and print "Hello World" to the console. Here's a step-by-step example. Open your text editor and type print "Hello World", save the file, and then open the terminal. For example, cd path to your directory. Run the script by typing python helloworld.py, and you see this output on your console. That's it. You have written and executed your first Python program. The print function to display the text "Hello World" on the screen. Let's talk about fixing syntax errors. Errors are a common part of programming. Let's see how ChatGPT can help you fix them. Suppose you forgot to close a parenthesis in your print statement. For this, you'll type a prompt, "Why is this code giving a syntax error?" The code is missing a closing parenthesis, so ChatGPT should recognize this. It says the code you provided is missing a closing parenthesis. This is why it's giving a syntax error. It has also fixed the code and provided us the correct version of the code. Make sure that you have both the opening and closing parentheses around the string "Hello World." This should fix the syntax error. Logical errors occur when the code runs but doesn't produce the expected results. ChatGPT can help you identify and correct these errors. Let's say you are trying to calculate the area of a rectangle, but the output is incorrect. Let's give this to ChatGPT. I've written, "Why is this code giving the wrong area? Width 5, height 10. Area is equals to width plus height. Print the area is area." Notice that the formula is wrong, but the syntax is correct. Let's see for ChatGPT's response. So it says, "The issue with your code is that you are calculating the area using addition instead of multiplication. The area of rectangle is found by multiplying the width by the height." So it has corrected the code and provided the complete version. In this code, width is multiplied by height to get the correct area. When you run this, you should see the correct output, which is 50. Here's a systematic approach to debugging your Python code with ChatGPT. First is when an error occurs. Python provides an error message. Let's use an example with a name error. What does the name error in this code means? Let's give this to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT responds with, "A name error in Python means that you are trying to use a variable or function name that has not been defined or assigned a value before it is used. So you see that I have written print name, but I have not specified the thing name. The variable name has not been defined or accessed anywhere. So you do it like this. Name is equals to Alice, print name. In this correct version, the variable name is assigned the value Alice before it is printed. So there will be no name error and the output will be Alice on your console. Break down your code into smaller parts to find where the error occurs. You have a function that calculates the square of a number but it's not working correctly. So let's give this to ChatGPT. I have written, why is this function not returning the square of the number? Function is square number and in result I am giving number raised to power 3, return result and then print square 2. Let's wait for the ChatGPT's response. It says the function is not returning the square of the number because it is raising the number to the power of 3 instead of 2. This is the issue. To return the square of the number, you need to raise the number to the power of 2 and here is the correct function. And the output will be 4 displayed on the console. So after fixing the error, test your code to ensure it works as expected. You fix the function and now test it with different inputs. For this, I am going to type a command that says how can I test my square function with different inputs. So ChatGPT says to test your square function with different inputs, you can call the function multiple times. For example, testing the square function with different inputs. First is square of 2 and we are giving 2 as input. And then we are giving 3, 4, 5 and 6. This will produce the output as follow. Expected output 4, 9, 16 and so on. You can also use a loop to test a range of values. Loop means iteratively running the same code which is square. For this I am going to write the line for I in range -5 to 6 print square of I is equals to square. For more comprehensive testing you can use assertions to verify the function. This is not important for now, we'll discuss it later. So in this video we have learned how to get started with Python programming using ChatGPT to fix common errors and debug our code. ChatGPT is a powerful assistant that can help you understand programming concepts, correct your mistakes, and improve your coding skills.